Match day 15 of the Nigeria Premier Football League 2024-2025 season saw Remo Stars travel to the Bakoko Ntagara Stadium in Niger State to face off against Niger Tornadoes. The technical crew had named the three changes to the starting lineup as Ibrahim Abubakar come in place of Sadiq Ismail, while there was also Tengode Kiago in the midfield, with Peter Onowa starting up front. The Sky Blue Stars in white away from home had the first real chance of the game when a corner kick was swung into the area but was well defended by the Niger Tornadoes team. Remo Stars again would push forward, but this time Sikur Alimi could not find the back of the net from a cross from the left-hand side. The hosts with their first real chance at goal had the ball swaying wide of the area of Obasadi B. Peter Onowa would go on to see his header from a corner kick saved by the goalkeeper before Niger Tornadoes would take the lead after they turned in Fabian Iwori on the right-hand side to stab him their first goal of the game. Sikur Alimi could not turn in Ibrahim Abubakar's low cross from the right-hand side. The hosts would double their lead when they scored directly from a corner kick. 2-0 to Niger Tornadoes off a corner kick. The Sky Blue Stars will find themselves 2-0 down at the break on resumption of the second 45 minutes. A corner kick from the left-hand side. Fabian Iwori had the Niger Tornadoes defender clearing off on the line. More opportunities came the way of the Sky Blue Stars, but they could not find the much-needed goal towards the end of 90 minutes. Ibrahim Adedayo thought he would be finding the leveler for the Sky Blue Stars, but his pass was well dealt with. From a free kick into the area, Remo Stars still couldn't find the back of the net. More and more opportunities represented the way of the Sky Blue Stars, but still could not find a goal. With 2 minutes left of added time, Michael Ibe stabbed home his second goal for Remo Stars, and that could only be a consolation. One more goal back, but Remo Stars could not find 1 point on the road. 2-1 is finished at the Bakoko Ntagara Stadium, Niger Tornadoes defeating Remo Stars in Minna.